It is 6:47. First fish. We're gonna go ahead and throw it back. And I got this rule about not recording my catches until I get my first catch. So first catch on. Let's go ahead and set the chest mount and go catch some fish. Got him. Oh, yeah. Yeah, man. Oh, well, I can't just stop now, can I? Really? The other side of this pond. That's where we caught the first fish. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in the video. Same lure. Let's see what happens. I can catch one more fish before I got to go somewhere. So. Hopefully we catch something. Action seems alright on this. Doesn't seem the best. It's definitely not where I want it to be. I'm saying, I don't record my videos until I catch my first fish. I just kind of got that rule for some reason. I'm gonna catch a fish before I start recording anything. But I do take videos. Oh, I'm on. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Check it out. Oh, it's blurry. Check him out. There he is. And they like this. I can see bluegill in there following it, and I can. No, that's not a bass. That's just, I don't know what that was. Ain't no bass though. Let's see. I can see the bluegill following it though. Maybe that'll help the bass too. It'd be crazy if there's a blow up right in front of my face. Huh. Let's try these weeds one more time. Oh, that don't count. Nope. Counts if I catch fish. No, I need a real cast. I need to really get out there. There we go. Oh, got him. Got him. Same spot. This one's a little baby, man. What? Check him out. That's fish number 3. Fish number 3. Let's get this out of him. Man, I'm kind of on a streak. I don't really want to go to my next spot. I'm digging this. What do y'all say? We keep going? Keep going until we can't? A spot I don't really go to, just to try it out, and check that out. Not bad on the Texas rig, big worm. Let's get him. Taking off this bridge, and I wanted to show you the smallest fish I caught today. Yeah, buddy. See you later, dude. Yeah.